Don't tell me what's in it, so I'll still like it. If you tell me what's in it, I'll be like, nope, done, not eating it.
Yep, pretty much.
Nope.
Magic.
Nope.
It's just full of magic.
Just full of magic?
Yeah.
That's good.
Don't watch this video. Oh, hey, how's it going? I'm Jen. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cook the Book, and today we are going to be doing a Cook the Copycat, and we are going to be making Cracker Barrel's hash brown casserole. We're going to start with some ingredients here. We need a 2-pound bag, the closest I can find was 30 ounces, 2-pound bag of frozen hash browns, thawed. The shredded hash browns. You can make them with the other kind if you want, but then it wouldn't be like Cracker Barrel, I guess. And then the recipe, okay, so this recipe I got from tablespoon.com, and I will link it down below in the place where you link things. It called for a pint of sour cream, and because I had a brain fart, big old American brain fart, I was like, how many ounces are in a pint? So it is 16 ounces of sour cream. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. You need some salt, some pepper. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to shred it ourselves because it melts better. Tastes better. Well, it tastes the same, but it melts better. And then half a cup of diced onion. And the last ingredient we need is 1 stick of butter melted. 1 stick of butter melted. First thing I'm going to do, search for my cooking spray, and I found it. So take it's a 11 by 14 pan. Sorry, my cooking spray is almost empty, so I've got to pray to the cooking gods that there is just enough left in this can. They have smiled their fortune upon us today. So 11 by 14 pan. You need to, first of all, open up your hash browns here. And these have been in my fridge for about 2 days. Yep, smell like potatoes. But you want to make sure that they're not super wet. So if you're going to thaw your hash browns out and they're still damp, get some paper towels and just kind of soak up some water. Because hash brown casserole, you don't want it runny. Runny casserole is not good casserole. That's my motto. Quote me. So what we need to do is start piling everything else in there. What I'm gonna do though is set this to the side, and then I'm gonna mix all of my liquid ingredients together, whisk it, and then mix it together so it's evenly distributed. In goes our 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Ugh, gross. That sounded so nasty. Okay. Once you get over that, here's your pint or 16-ounce container of sour cream. Probably should have got a spatula for this. Nope. We're good. Your 1 stick of melted butter. To that I'm going to add a big pinch, well, not a big pinch, I'm going to add, a pinch of salt. Because you can always add more salt at the end. You don't want it to be too salty. You can always add more, you can't take out. And that's the pepper. If anybody out there would like to donate a real peppermill to me, just let me know. Leave me a comment down below and be like, hey, I'm tired of watching you struggle with this generic stuff. That looks peppery enough. Okay, so now we're going to mix with our whisk. Oh. Crap. Man, I was trying to make a good angle for the camera and ended up making a mess for myself. since we only had a 30-ounce bag of hash brown instead of 32 ounce, it's almost like it was meant to be. So, yeah. Okay. Next, we're going to dice a small onion here. And by small, I mean medium. We only need about half of it. Try to dice it as thin as possible. So your onion pieces are about the same size as no bigger than your hash brown pieces. Man, the handle on this thing is starting to get in my way today. So it says about half a cup of diced onion. Right in with our potato. And 2 cups of shredded cheddar. And I'm just going to shred that right into the bowl. All right, now we're going to mix this up. I like to get it evenly distributed before you add the creamy stuff to it. That way you don't get big hunks of cheese in one spot and potato in the other without it being even. You can even use your hands for this. You don't have to use a spoon. Now we're going to add our sauce to that. Okay, evenly distributed, beautiful. Now we're going to pour all this into our 11 by 14 pan. And flatten it out evenly. Now this goes into a 350 degree oven for 45 minutes until your potatoes are done and the top is golden brown and nice and bubbly and delicious.
If it helps, it smells just like the Cracker Barrel casserole.
Bad.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good. It's better than I thought it was going to be.
Nice and crunchy.
How close is it to actual Cracker Barrel casserole though?
It's close for me because I'm not a big fan of Cracker Barrel casserole. I like Food City's better.
So you're saying you're not a big fan of this?
So, well, no, it's better. I think it's better than cow.
I think it's like 90% there.
Yeah.
Maybe not 100. Pretty close though.
Too much onions for me. I don't like onions.
Get out.
But it's not bad. It's good. It's good. It's like I said, I like it better than Cracker Barrel, but I don't like Cracker Barrels.
Get out.
You get out. But it's very good. Very good. I would definitely recommend someone to try it.
Muy bien.
It's really good. I would recommend people to eat it.
And make it.
Make it. Because it's very delicious. I'm the most picky person on the earth, so.
Mm-hmm. So would you recommend that they like this video?
Yeah,
yes.
definitely.
And
definitely
subscribe.
And like the video. Thumbs up.
And don't forget to ring the bell.
Yeah, exactly.
So you can get more videos just like this.
Exactly.
What about telling their friends?
Yeah. Share on social media.
Everybody knows that we don't have friends.
True. Other people can tell their friends though. Other people have friends that watch the YouTubes.
Y'all need to tell me how to get friends.